Hi mga sis, welcome to my short vlog and welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! Second day of the new year, January 2. Today we are going to travel to the city of love. Before this, and no plan, unplanned. Punta kami ng city, Minister. Mga sis, good morning. Happy New Year everyone. Hanap ako ng mga damit ko. Punta kami ng city of love. At saka, bago nga i-gamito no. Kasi Mr. nagkamadali. Unplanned. Walang plano. Happy New Year. Walang damit ko. Color of the year. Let's change diyan inner na. Inner ang pang outer. Happy New Year. This is outfit for the day. Let's go to the city. First bonding of the New Year. Happy second day of the New Year. Outfit for the day. Souvenirs, celebrating my 60th birthday. And bag from Disney. Thinking, let's go. Travel for more. Ay, malapat. Wala man sa driver. Happy waiting. Para si Mr. Drive. See you sa city. Yeah, first walking sa SM. Wala nga po. New Year, January 2. Wala kami naging transaction. Almost 12:50. Noon, hindi na ako kinabless. Here, welcome 2025. Kami. First day na outing naman na out of town. Asia. Kabanod. Two platters. After lunch, ako lang kami ka lunch, Mister. God bless us all. Bye. Please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel.